Greetings, fellow occultists. This video will be about the hologram or the cosmic hologram. I've often posted things on it and whatnot at this Black Tower and other groups. Fundamentally, it answers the question, what is the ultimate nature of reality? And that is sort of like the chaos magicians, the cosmic hologram. The hologram is basically intersecting wavefronts. You can imagine this by throwing a bunch of pebbles into a pond of water, and all of the concentric wavefronts converge on each other. When the wavefronts interact with each other, that produces matter or antimatter, and energy is basically photons and things like that. But that's about the gist of it. H.P. Lovecraft conceived of a deity he called Azathoth, the blind, mindless, idiot god, the nuclear chaos at the center of the universe, and that's basically what the hologram is, and I use the term Azathoth for it. Let me see. It's mindless, but creation was something that gave it the feelings of existence. First with the demiurge, which Lovecraft called Yog-Sothoth, and currently, at least amongst people of Earth, is Jehovah or Allah. Now, it's not the ultimate deity, it is a demiurge, and like any other deities like that, if Jehovah is on your case too much, you can banish him just as any other entity. Okay, now, I first became aware of it back about 1978 from this book, Space, Time, and Beyond. I don't know if you can see it here, by, let me see, a Bob Tobin, okay. And he kind of like outlines the theory in the form of drawings, cartoon-like drawings and whatnot, so he wasn't taken too seriously because of the format he chose to make his publication. In the files at the group Black Tower is a PDF copy of the Holographic Universe by Michael Talbot. An excellent read, and there's an experiment in it we could duplicate. It would cost quite a bit of money because he used a lot of glycerin, to prove that reverse entropy can happen, and that'll really get the Christian fundies all kinds of upset, because one of their biggest arguments against evolution was that entropy cannot reverse itself. It does, as if, you know, ice never freezes, and let's put it this way, a snowflake is a greater complexity than water vapor. So it kind of like defies what the fundies are saying. But be that as it may, how to imagine the hologram, as I said, throwing pebbles into a pond in the concentric circles. And where the circles interact, it forms interference patterns, and that's what forms matter and energy. Or matter, antimatter and energy, and if there's such a thing as anti-energy, it will be a manifestation of that. But the holographic theory supersedes all other scientific theories. In fact, all other scientific theories would be based on the hologram, fundamentally. If, let me see, the Big Bang Theory is disproven and the universe always existed, it always will be, that'll be covered in the hologram. You know, one thing to imagine is, we basically indicates, the holographic theory indicates that we create our own realities. But since people share common beliefs or whatnot, reality is fundamentally the same for most people. And you can think of that as, again, concentric circles, the center of each circle being the person's consciousness, his I, his being, his ego, if you want to put it that way. And they all overlap, and that's how it works, according to the holographic theory. I do suggest downloading a copy of the Holographic Universe from the files at the Black Tower. I thank you all, and then interact with the hologram the way you want. Now, people carry on about how gods demand sacrifice and blood sacrifice and things like that. Well, if you're sacrificing your own blood, a diabetic's lancet, you can get several drops of blood out of it if you set it on high. There's no reason to slash yourself apart or anything like that. And there's no reason to slash other people or any other living things for that. And in fact, I think as I can conceive of a deity wouldn't be too impressed at people who are so stupid as to harm themselves drastically. Well, that's about it. Have a safe journey and enjoy your exploration of the occult. Thank you.